Petrol price in Tripura hits at 86 rupees 67 paisa per litre, the highest level under the BJP-led state government, while diesel rates touched a record height of rupees 79.92 paisa per litre. A time when people are already suffering due to inflation brought in by the COVID crisis, the Modi government in the centre is busy in tax collection. The Modi government has earned rupees 20 lakh crore in last 6.5 years by increasing the excise duty on petrol and diesel alone. In a record hike on petrol and diesel prices, our reporters went to Agartala city's petrol pump to know the exact rates as on Wednesday.
আজকে তো পেট্রোলের রেট বাড়ছে, পেট্রোল হলো 25 পয়সা আর ডিজেল 26 পয়সা বাড়ছে আর কি। তো আজকে পেট্রোলের রেট 25 পয়সা বাড়ার পর আজকে দাঁড়াইছে 86 টাকা 67 পয়সা পেট্রোলের রেট, আর ডিজেল হলো 79 টাকা 92 পয়সা।
পেট্রোল আগে কত ছিল? কালকে কত ছিল? মানে কালকে
ছিল পেট্রোল ছিল 86 টাকা 42 পয়সা, আর ডিজেল ছিল 79 টাকা 66 পয়সা ছিল।
However, the biggest proof of cheating the people of India and bleeding their hard-earned money can be gauged from the fact that crude oil price is far less as compared to the current retail prices. When the entire nation and its 130 crore people are fighting with post-COVID effects, the people were expecting some kind of relief and economic assistance in these challenging times. But the BJP government is fleecing the people by not just raising fuel rates on daily basis, but also refusing to share benefits of lower crude with people. In this situation, if the central government immediately withdraws the central excise duty hike that it has charged in last 6 years, then the petrol and diesel prices should have come down by now. Bureau Report, Hallabol.